In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Slack always active. By the end, you'll know how to set your presence to active, apply a status that doesn't clear, and make sure nothing in Slack is quietly pausing your visibility. I'll guide you through every click so you can follow along with your own workspace. Start by opening Slack either in your desktop app or in a browser. Sign in if you need to, and let Slack fully load. Once you're in, head into any channel to get oriented. I'm using a test channel here, but you can use any channel you have access to. Opening a channel ensures the main interface and sidebar are visible, which makes the next menu options easier to find. Inside the channel, open the channel details to view all members. This is a quick way to confirm you're in the right place and that Slack's right sidebar is working as expected. In the channel details, switch to the members view, then close the sidebar with the X in the corner. This step isn't changing any settings. It just brings you back to your main view so we can focus on your profile and presence controls. Next, look to the top right of Slack for your profile or account button, usually your avatar. Click it to open your account menu. Here, you'll see your current presence. Click Active to explicitly set yourself as active. Then, just to show the toggle, click Away. This confirms you know where both options live and how to switch between them. Now open your account menu again and choose Set Yourself as Active. You should see the green indicator reappear next to your name. Open your account menu again to confirm your presence shows as active. With that confirmed, it's time to add a status that supports staying visible. Click Update Your Status. You may see suggested options. Pick the one labeled Working Remotely. Today. This is a clear, professional status that indicates you're available. If your workspace shows different suggestions, choose the closest equivalent that conveys you're working. Now look for the duration or clear after setting. Click Today to review the time frame and then change it to Don't Clear. This is important. By preventing your status from auto-clearing, Slack won't remove that helpful context about your availability. Next, make sure notifications aren't being paused by any schedule or focus mode. If you see a setting that reads Do Not Pause, select it. If there's a second place where Do Not Pause appears, sometimes there are separate options for different devices or schedules. Choose Do Not Pause there as well. This ensures Slack isn't automatically muting activity that might otherwise signal you're present. With those options set, click Save. Your status is now applied and it won't clear automatically. To verify everything, open your account menu once more. You should still see active, and under your name you should see working remotely. This pairing, an explicit active presence plus a status that doesn't clear, helps keep you consistently visible to your team. A quick note on what we just did. Presence and status are slightly different. Presence is the green dot that shows whether you're active or away. Status is the message that tells people what you're doing. Manually setting yourself to active and applying a persistent status gives your coworkers a clear signal that you're available and working, even when you're not actively clicking around in Slack. Also, confirm your workspace's policies before using these settings and keep your status accurate so your team knows when to reach you. That's it. Open Slack, confirm the channel view, set yourself to active, apply a status like working remotely, choose Don't Clear, make sure notifications aren't paused, save, and then verify you're showing as active with your new status underneath. Follow these steps